What's the meaning of contumacious? Contumacious. Contumacious.
Contumacious. Contumacious. The word contumacious means to be willfully disobedient to authority or guidance. A contumacious individual may refuse to follow rules, regulations, or orders, and often displays a stubborn or rebellious attitude towards those in power. This behavior can result in various consequences, such as fines, legal action, or imprisonment. Contumacious behavior can also lead to strained relationships with authority figures, coworkers, or others in positions of influence. Ultimately, individuals who display contumacious behavior may face significant challenges in both their personal and professional lives.